All right, everybody. We are going to go over how to set up your microbits. So in this box, you should find your microbits. You should find these batteries. Remember, on your sheet, it was asking you to provide your own batteries, but you can use these. That's fine. Here is a battery pack, and here is a USB charger. So what I want to do is first take these batteries, open up this thing, you just kind of press and slide it open. Now, the flat end goes against the spring, and the pointy end goes the opposite side of the spring. So flat end to the spring, other side, pointy end to the non-spring. Close that back up. Sorry. Then, the end of that, there is this white plug. One side of the white plug has this little white line on it. We're going to take that and we're going to keep that on top, and we're going to plug our microbit in. Okay? Something might pop up orange or might pop up something on the other side. It all depends on what model you have. So then I will take this USB cable and carefully plug it in to the top as well. Now, once this is plugged in, we can plug it into the computer, but we want to be very careful that we don't snap this off or break these, okay? These are expensive. We don't want to have to keep replacing them. But next video, we will talk about how to plug it into your computer.